Our overall health depends on our good night's sleep. Sleep can determine the quality of life, as it can help in protecting your mental and physical health. It also supports proper brain function, keeps physical health, and supports growth and development in children and teens. On the other hand, chronic sleep deprivation can cause some serious health problems, as it affects people's ability to react, thinks, works, learn and communicate. According to the Institute of Medicine in America, more than 50 million Americans suffer from chronic sleep deprivation or poor sleep. This video will offer you the best solution in case of sleeping problems. Consume this homemade banana cinnamon drink 1 hour before going to bed and you will solve any sleeping disorders. Banana cinnamon drink recipe. Ingredients: 1 banana, ½ tablespoon cinnamon, 1 liter of water. Method of preparation: boil the water in a small pot. Cut off the very ends of the banana and add it to the boiling water. Boil for 10 minutes. Pour water through the colander into a teacup. Add a pinch of cinnamon to improve the taste. Use. Consume this amazing drink an hour before going to bed. Both ingredients of this drink are extremely beneficial. Cinnamon is rich in essential oils as eugenol, phenylpropanoids, which are chemical compounds and are responsible for cinnamon's sweet and aromatic scent. It also improves blood circulation and digestion, which can affect your sleep. Moreover, it is the perfect ingredient for this recipe as it will improve its taste and will help your body to relax. On the other hand, bananas are highly effective against insomnia as they are rich in an amino acid known as tryptophan, which raises serotonin levels that are proven to regulate sleep patterns. Furthermore, bananas will also improve your mood and control your appetite, and since they are rich in potassium, iron and calcium, minerals, they can be of great help with insomnia. Nevertheless, if your drink does not bring results and you continue to have problems with sleeping, then you may have some serious problems as anxiety, an unhealthy diet, mineral deficiencies, and your lifestyle. Although some sleeping pills may help at times, they cannot solve the actual problem. Therefore, you need to try different techniques which will help your brain and body to relax, consume healthy food, reduce anxiety, and exercise more.